Hey guys, okay, we're going to take a look at another strategy on how to tell if two fractions are equivalent or not. Remember, equivalent means equal. So we looked at using fraction strips, which we will do that, but I also want to use these online manipulatives. So let's take a look at this problem here on my whiteboard. So it says, tell whether or not these two fractions are equivalent or equal, or are they not equal? And this is what you're going to be practicing independently here after this video. So we're going to check to see, is 3/6 equivalent or not equivalent to 1/2? So I'm going to show you how to use these fraction strips over here on the right, and you're going to have a link to use this on your problems if you would like to use them. So let's start with the first fraction. So 3/6. So the 6, the denominator tells you what size pieces to use. So I need to use the 6th pieces. They're kind of this teal color. And the numerator, the top number, tells you how many pieces you need to use. So I need 3 of them. So let's bring up 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. And I'm comparing it to 1/2. So here's my 1/2 piece. What I want to do is put it right underneath to see if it's the same size. It is the same size. Look at that, exactly the exact same size. I can also use my fraction strips over here on the left. So if I'm looking at 3/6 down here on the bottom, that's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. And I want to see if it's the exact same size, look, as my 1/2. Yes, it is. So I can use this picture if I can visually look to see, oh, 3/6 is exactly the same size as 1/2. So these two fractions would be equivalent. They are equal. All right, let's try another one. Erase this. Okay, let's try 2/3 and 4/5. All right, I'm going to start over here with my fraction pieces first. I'm just going to clear them off by dragging them down to the bottom. You'll do the same thing. All right, I need 2/3. So I need 2 of the 1/3 pieces. So that's 1/3, that's 2/3. And now I need the 4/5 pieces. And we need to put it right underneath. So I'm going to put 4/5 underneath. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. There's 4/5. And you can tell that the bottom one is larger than the top one. So these two are not equivalent. Make sure you put them on separate rows right on top of each other, because if I put them on the same row like this, well, it's hard to tell. I mean, the green one looks bigger, but I can't really tell, maybe. So you need to stack them on top of each other like this so you can really compare the sizes. And then you can, over here on the left, you can use this as well. So 2/3, I'm going to put the marker over here at 2/3, 1/3, 2/3. And 4/5 is what we're comparing it to. So come down here, 1, 2, 3, here's 4/5, it ends right here. And you can tell, hey, that 4/5 is larger than 2/3. So these two would not be equivalent. So what you guys are going to do on your independent work is you're going to have just several of these fractions, and you're going to choose, is it equivalent or not equivalent? And you're going to have a link to these online manipulatives where you can use those pieces to help you compare to see if they are equivalent or not equivalent. All right, good luck. See you guys soon.